It's Fiestaro. Hello, Scorpio placements. Yan. Oo. So, yeah, this is your end of the month. Love reading. Okay, so. Yes, okay. Syempre, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? So, yeah, let's start your reading. Scorpio. Who is the person on your mind? The Five of Cups. Some of you pwedeng nagmo-move on to or pinagmo-move onan mo na. Pwedeng, yeah, water sign like you. Ooh! What? I cannot. Oo. Some of them, ang gulo nito, Scorpio. Ang may nakukuha ako pong kanina, na kanta. Yung, di ko lang kung sino kumanta, basta I need you. Yun ang naririnig ko. I need you. Like water, like, ewan, di ko na alam. I need you like, yun. Water like, na na na. Yeah, di ko alam yung song. Yeah, I'm sorry. Di ba? There's a lot of water here. A lot of cups, a lot of emotions. The Three of Cups. This person, they want to move on, no? Dito sa kung ano man. Okay, pero laging bumabalik. Ayaw nilang maging sabihin natin parang mag-isa. Takot sila mag-isa, yes. Takot itong taong to na mag-isa. Or maybe ikaw, Scorpio, ang takot na maging isa, na maging, ayun nga, na mapag-isa. Always wanting reconciliation. Excuse my nails. So, tingnan natin ano bang meron sa sitwasyon. Ito yung taong every time na nakaka-move on ka na, babalik at babalik itong taong ito. The Fool, yeah, may takot. The Fool in reverse and the Devil in reverse, yes. Yeah, see, the Ace of Pentacles. May energy ritong bumabalik. Wanting na magkaroon again ng new beginning with you. Some of them pwedeng Earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay? Sa situation, ang nakukuha ko, takot itong taong tong mag-umpisa muli. Kahit sabihin nating sa ikagaganda rin naman ng pareho niyong sitwasyon. Takot. Takot itong magsimula muli. Takot itong nang mag-isa. Okay? Takot siya magsimulang muli ng mag-isa. Yes. Kailangan ito ikaw. Yan. Okay? Yung song. Kaya, okay. So, tingnan natin ano ba ang emosyon niya for you. The Ten of Wands. Naku, kawawa. Burden. So, parang mabigat sa kanya kung hindi kayo magkasama. Hindi okay yung sitwasyon. Yeah, the Tower. Oh my God. Hirap na hirap ito, Scorpio. So, here's your energy. Alam nyo yung sitwasyon nyo sa ngayon. Para sa kanya, sobrang bigat nito, sobrang hirap nang wala ka. Pakinggan niyo yung song na kinanta ko kanina. I don't know kung sino ba kumanta nun. I need you. Ayaw nitong magsimula ulit or ayaw nito na humanap ng bago. Ikaw lang ang gusto. Yes. Hindi nila kayang mawala ka. Kaya pabalik-balik sa'yo. You have this cycle with this person. So, anong next action nila? Yeah, the Page of Pentacles. Communication. Reaching out. Yeah, the Five of Swords in reverse. Makikipag-ayos to. Some of them, they're stalking you, Scorpio. They're stalking you. Yeah. Yeah, see? They stuck. They're stuck. May message doon sa kanta na yon. Yes. Inyong i-search. Okay. So, maybe, some of you, naalala ka ng taong to through music, like that. Or maybe, mahilig sa music itong taong to. So, what's your outcome / advice? The Two of Pentacles. Okay. And the Nine of Swords in reversed. Having boundaries. Open. Okay. Open the line of communication kung kaya pa. Okay. This is balancing. Okay. Opening the line of communication kung kaya. Pero kung hindi, huwag na. Okay. Pero kung kaya, makikipag-usap ka sa kanya. Just open the line of communication. Parang ganyan. And alisin yung parang sabihin nating stress sa kung anong meron sa sitwasyon. Okay? Hindi ka magiging open sa kanya para ipakitang nandyan ka pa rin for him or for her. Yeah. Draw line. Okay? Healthy line. Oo. Healthy boundaries pagdating sa kanya. Okay? Some of them, they're too young. Or maybe they're just immature. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Wands. Gusto ka nito. And nakukuha ko kasi, pwedeng ikaw yung tingin ko na sobrang kinakailangan talaga niya. I don't know why. Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit ito umaalis sa'yo. Kanya-kanyang dahilan. Hindi ko yun para tingnan. Okay? Yeah, takot siyang mag-isa. Takot siyang mawala ka ng tuluyan. Kaya, every time, yes, tatangkain na mag-move on, hindi ko kaya. Oo. Kapag okay na siya ulit, babalik ulit sa'yo. Or maybe, if you're trying to move on, andyan na ulit sila, babalik. Yeah, the Ace of Wands in reverse. On and off. On and off. Hindi mo kailangang ibigay, no, totally openness na sinasabi sa taong ito. Dapat malaman mo rin kung anong dahilan niya, kung bakit umaalis or kung bakit bumabalik palagi. Okay, so ang isang dahilan lang po talaga kaya bumabalik is kailangan ka niya and takot siyang magsimulang mag-isa lang. Okay? Doon siya maybe sa'yo siya maybe nakakuha ng comfortable or doon sa'yo siya nakakuha ng sabihin nating safe siya, mga ganan. I don't know. Yes. Kanya-kanya po kasi. Okay? So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Aries, they're thinking of you day and night. Taurus, they want commitments. Gemini, they love you. Yeah, see? Grabe yung mga energy dito. Cancer. Ooh! Grabe si Cancer. Some of them talagang gumagawa ng paraan kahit sabihin natin may black magic na. Okay? May pagmamanifest nang nangyayari, may pag-ritual na, mapabalik ka lang, makausap ka lang. Ganon, katindi. Okay? So, Leo. So, sabihin nating may pagpaplano na ginagawa si Leo. I don't know kung ano. Virgo. So, open si Virgo for you. Yeah. Libra. So, pwedeng ayaw na ni Libra na bumalik. So, maybe there's no stability with this Libra. Or maybe there's separation right now with this Libra. Scorpio. They're trying to sneak back. Some of them, they're a liar. They're being secretive. Okay. Sagittarius. They want commitments. Yeah. They want to commit. Capricorn, so maybe there's an issue pagdating sa pera, or some of you may separation dito. Okay, some of them, they're not ready to commit. Aquarius, they're ghosting you, or maybe gino-ghost ka niya nga, no? Okay, maybe some of them, andyan yung realizations, andyan yung quietness, na sinasabi. Next. Pisces. Okay, so maybe they're leaving you. Yeah. They are leaving you. Or, wala, yun lang eh. Yung nakukuha ko. Yeah. Okay, so there. Yun po ang ating reading for you, Scorpio placements. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you.